In this video, I want to show you how to set up your final exam or any exam if you're going to use multiple versions within D2L. So I've logged into D2L. I'm going to navigate to my course. And in this case, I'm focusing specifically on one of the web-based Math 1401 courses. So I'm going to select the course. I'm then going to go to Assessments, then to Quizzes, and I'm going to scroll down to where I have my final exams, and I have 6 versions. And I happen to know that I have about 27 students in this class, so that means I need about 4 to 5 students per exam. So I'm going to click on the down arrow at the end of the name, Final Exam A, Spring 2020, and I'm going to edit. I'm then going to tab over to Restrictions, and I'm going to scroll down, and I want to use the option here, Allow only users with special access to see this quiz. To avoid confusion so the student doesn't log into the wrong test, I'm only going to allow them to see the one that they've been assigned to. So I'm going to click on the button next to Allow only users with special access to see this quiz, and then I'm going to add the ones that can see it. Okay, the due date is still going to be May 9th at 11:30. The start date is May 4th, so none of that changes. They only get one attempt. And then I'm going to start selecting students. Now, I will caution you because sometimes in here you have different administrators, you have IT folks, so make sure you're selecting students. So I would select 1, 2, 3, and then I see that I have some ITS folks, 4, 5. So the first 5 students on my roster are going to be assigned to Test A. And once I have them all selected, I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom and add special access. And it shows that those 5 students have access to Form A. And then I can save and close. I'll then go do it again and go to Exam B, Edit, Restrictions, scroll down, again, Allow users with special access only to see the quiz, and then I've got to add the users. Okay, so I did the first 5, so I'm going to pick up with the 6th student. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, avoid trying to pick ITS folks. 5. Okay, so I have the next 5, and I add special access. And again, I can see that those 5 have been given special access. And I save and close. And I can continue that process until every student has been assigned. And again, the benefit of doing it that way is that the student is only going to see the test to which they've been assigned. Okay, all of the tests have basically the same type questions. It's just a different version. I may have changed it from a 95% interval to a 99% interval. If you have students that you think maybe are working together, be sure to assign them to 2 different versions of the test. If you have questions, you can email me or call me, and I'll be happy to try to help you.